Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp verification code delay. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and turn on your airplane mode, wait for 5 to 10 seconds and turn it off. This will give your network connectivity a fresh refresh. And that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data in order to ensure that you have a good signal. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and turn off any active VPNs just by. Also, you need to make sure you need to turn off any VPN if enabled by clicking right over here, and that is about it. Finally, if none of those fix it, simply try to restart your phone and it should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.